Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the First Light game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up 007 First Light on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and navigate into Options. From Options, you can go into Controls. And if you go into Controller Overview, you will see all of the controls that have been mapped within your joystick. You can choose from the various different control scheme presets from various different controller types. If you wish to customize your input, just go into the Customize Input option and now select any button in order to change the input. Once you choose, you can assign your new input by simply pressing the new desired button. You can also choose to either tap or hold the various different controls while you are assigning them. If you go into the Mouse and Keyboard option, you can find the Customize Input option here as well. Go into this page and then click on any button that you wish to switch. Then simply press your desired new key and then choose whether you want to choose the press, the hold, or the toggle option. Once you are done, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. You can also explore the various other modes for the control that you have chosen. And now you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the 007 First Light game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.